What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Brian and the gang here on e-bikes and analog bikes. Doing another ride after work this time. The guys I work with here at Theo and Soto, they both got analog bikes, and we've all been talking about riding together, so we're making it happen. And I'm here to record, see if we can get into some fun adventures, try to bring you guys some good content. Let me know if you guys like it, drop a like, leave a comment, man. Let me know what else you guys want to see. But so far so good, we're having fun. So I don't know about you guys, but us here in Springfield, we have been getting a lot of repaved roads, like this road that we're on, and this road never had a bike lane. So this is new, and I'm glad. And I've noticed here there are several cities that have been getting paved, and they've been adding a bike lane, which is great, man. I mean, I'm super happy about that. Hopefully it'll make it a little more safe for all of us to ride more often. How about you guys? Are you guys getting bike lanes where you are? I see posts from Colorado, and they talk about several trails and just bike lanes, just more bike friendly place to be. Alright.
You got the key?
Yeah, shut it off. No, shut it off. Alright guys, so the CX just shut off right now. Turn it back on. So I contacted Super73 yesterday, and they told me that I'm getting a new battery for the CX. Yeah, the display has been shutting off.
There's power, but there's no display on it.
Alright, we got power but no display. We're gonna see if we can take the battery off. Give it a couple seconds.
Give it a second.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try it. No display?
But it still has power.
Yeah, but you're gonna go like super slow. Shut it off. So the CX has been having issues with the display shutting off and the bike losing power. So it happened again just now. I contacted Super73 yesterday, and they said they're sending a new battery, so I'm waiting on that. Hopefully that will fix the issue, but I see this has been happening a lot in bikes lately. Try it on.
Let me just start writing.
Okay. Yeah, the display went off again.
Yeah.
Oh, it is that one. Oh.
Yeah. So like we're trying to disconnect the battery and put it back
I can see the sweat inside my eye.
I bet.
Yeah.
in. All right.
Can you not take off the
goggles? Yeah. Actually, the wind has not been messing me up that bad.
Windy right now.
Yeah, in the cold, dude, my eyes are just watery up the whole time. Yeah. So, all right. Well, let's go, and then hopefully the display comes on.
Yeah.
Or we'll shut it off for a minute.
Shut up.
got the CX power back on, but the display is off, so it's just on mode 1 at the moment. We're heading to the record store. Soto wants to check out some records, so taking a stroll through downtown and see what else we can find. Break!
Onward!
Go, go, go! You're good. You're clear. You're clear. You're clear. Go. Yay. Yep. Well, it can be whatever way you wanted it to be.
guess, yeah.
Really? I was like, all right, can I go to the left? Yep.
There's a person in that truck too.
I know the parking lot. Go in that parking lot.
Great. Yeah. All that extra uphill for nothing.
For the exercise, bro.
Yeah, but you ain't going to the gym today. Nope.
This is your
cardio.
gym
This is
time.
my cardio.
I'm for real, bro.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. You guys staying out here?
Yeah, I'm down here.
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, wherever. That's good. So I guess shut off your bike to see if the display comes back on. It's back on?
It came back on.
Alright guys, so we're outside the record store and it looks like the display on the ZX came back. But like I said before, I contacted Super73 yesterday and sent him in my serial number for the battery, and I was told I'm gonna get a new battery, so we'll see. What's up, guys?
Alright.
Oh, it's nice and cool here.
I know. I was about to say I was about to go outside and trade with Leslie.
No, just wait. Oh, well, I mean, you can go, I guess, if you want. Nice. And the records out. We got records. It's the record store. The cool spot.
Get $2, $3 ones, you know?
Yeah. So just picking out his records here.
She don't want to trade.
She didn't want to trade?
No.
Oh, so she could come inside, you mean?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh, I thought you can make a company.
How's the hoodie feeling?
Alright. The display came back on.
Hmm?
The display on the
Really?
bike came back on.
Did
Yeah.
you guys like you do anything to it or just?
It just came back on its own.
Really?
Yeah, but it's not supposed to. Yeah. So
What?
at least I'll have a second
I was
battery
about to say
now.
didn't just not the one. Yeah.
So it's alright. Alright, I go outside. Just want to get a little footage in here.
I was about to say.
Yay.
I'm on the back. Okay. So we're gonna take a scenically route through downtown. All right.
Yep. We're back on the road. Soto got his records.
When?
We're recording.
Yep.
Oh, put it on 4 already, just in case. We are planning on taking a little scenic route through downtown, through the neighborhood.
Shortcut.
At the car wash. We are at the square in downtown Springfield, riding with the guys and gal. Sorry if I did not say that before. The work crew has become the bike crew. Having fun, man. E-bikes, analog bikes, whatever. Just trying to get some people, have some fun. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Remember, if you do enjoy it, drop a like, it'll let us know, and so the people can see this video. Thanks to you all. Water! Water.
Hello, Brian.
Sure. I saw it. I was like, oh, it's about to fall. Sure thing.
Alright, onward!
Alright, so left and then right, because one way the other way. Go! I don't think so.
Oh, Brian did?
Oh yeah, I did the double honk.
Alright.
See you, bro. So let's go home. We continue to ride the same way because we all live towards the same way. And then there were three. Good?
Yeah, we're good.
Cool. So you made it, bro. Good job. Good sport.
Hell yeah. Balls.
Alright. And then there were two.
I'm gonna go look at Sheila for a little bit. Okay, guys.
Alright, bro. I'll see you tomorrow.
That hill's fun.
See ya. Alright. So I just want to give a shout out to Theo and Soto for being good sports, riding their bikes with us, riding our e-bikes. So cool ride, morning ride and afternoon ride. Hopefully we got some pretty decent footage for you guys, and I'll be posting this in the next day or two. Thanks for sticking around. Like I've said before, it's been a fun ride, fun afternoon ride with the guys from work and the gals from work. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, peace.